When you look at the crypto market right now, it's easy to get caught up in fear. Bitcoin dominance is rising, altcoins are bleeding, and sentiment across the market is sitting deep in the fear zone. Most coins are struggling, and investors are scared to touch anything that isn't Bitcoin or Ethereum. But then there's Internet Computer Coin, ICP, quietly moving against the tide. At first glance, the numbers might not seem too impressive. ICP's price increased by about 0.8% in the last 24 hours. Just a modest gain, right? But here's where the story starts to get interesting. Because while everyone is focused on the flashy pumps of meme coins and short-term hype tokens, ICP is setting the foundation for something much bigger, something that's starting to wake up again. Let's be honest, ICP has been through the fire. Once one of the most hyped launches in crypto history, it was called the future of the internet, a blockchain capable of running web-speed smart contracts and decentralized applications directly from the chain, no cloud, no middlemen. But after the hype faded, prices crashed, and ICP became one of the most misunderstood projects in the entire crypto space. But lately, something has changed. Behind the scenes, the Dfinity Foundation, the core team behind Internet Computer, has been quietly building. And not just ordinary upgrades, they've been developing full on-chain AI capabilities. Imagine artificial intelligence that doesn't live on centralized servers, but entirely on a decentralized blockchain. That's what ICP is doing. And it doesn't stop there. They've been collaborating with projects like Fetch.ai, building out AI hackathons, and introducing tools that allow even non-developers to build decentralized applications using the Caffeine AI platform. It's basically giving regular people the ability to build apps powered by AI and blockchain without needing to write a single line of code. And that's why this minor uptick, this small daily green candle, could be a quiet warning sign, a sign that something bigger is forming under the surface. Because at this stage, ICP isn't just another coin waiting for hype. It's a network with a vision to completely reshape how we build on the internet through decentralized web hosting, AI-driven applications, and data storage that doesn't rely on Amazon or Google. That's what makes this rebound important. It's not about today's 0.8% gain. It's about what comes next when oversold conditions meet powerful fundamentals. Yes, volume is down by about 36%, which tells us the move isn't backed by strong trading activity yet. But smart money always moves before the crowd. When sentiment flips, when new partnerships are announced, and when AI adoption continues to grow, volume tends to return in waves. And when it does, you'll want to already be holding. So while others panic over short-term charts, remember this: ICP is oversold, fundamentally strong, and technologically ahead of most of the market. The Dfinity team keeps building, AI keeps expanding, and decentralized internet keeps growing as a narrative. That's why Internet Computer Coin is pumping. And that's exactly why you should keep buying. Because when the next wave hits, this might be one of the coins that surprises everyone again. Now, let's get into the full discussion of ICP. The Internet Computer is a decentralized computing platform designed and stewarded by the Dfinity Foundation to host applications, data, and even full web services directly on-chain, without relying on traditional cloud infrastructure. Its native asset, Internet Computer, ICP, powers governance, computation, and network rewards. As a general-purpose blockchain, it aims to extend the public internet so that it can natively host software and data, enabling Web3 services to run entirely from chain. Unlike many networks that treat on-chain logic as a thin execution layer with off-chain storage and web hosting, the Internet Computer's core innovation is its ability to serve web content directly from smart contracts, called canisters, using WebAssembly and a unique cryptographic system known as chain key. In practice, this allows decentralized apps to deliver interactive websites without centralized servers. For investors, builders, and users interested in blockchain, cryptocurrency, DeFi, and Web3, understanding Internet Computer, ICP, provides insight into a distinctive approach to scaling decentralized computation. Category: Layer 1 blockchain, learn more. Main blockchain, Internet Computer, native chain. Token, Internet Computer, ICP. Uses: governance, computation, converted to cycles, and network rewards. Docs and resources. Official site, docs, white paper/technical papers, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, Messari. For readers looking to engage with the token, you can explore markets and liquidity on Cube. Exchange, overview, buy, sell, or trade ICP/USDT. The Internet Computer was conceived and developed by the Dfinity Foundation, a non-profit research organization founded by Dominic Williams. Dfinity's research traces back to 2016 to 2017, culminating in a multi-year effort to build a new kind of decentralized computing platform. The project's goal was not only to execute smart contracts, but also to store data and serve web content at scale from the chain itself. According to Wikipedia and Dfinity's own archives, the network's mainnet genesis event occurred in May 2021, which also coincided with the public launch of the Internet Computer, ICP, token. Prior to Genesis, the team published a series of peer-reviewed and publicly available technical papers on consensus, cryptography, and system architecture. Notable milestones came in phases, including test networks, developer previews, and a mainnet, sometimes referred to by code names, e.g., Mercury. Early post-launch periods focused on stabilizing the network, expanding the number of independent node providers, and rolling out feature upgrades such as HTTP outcalls and direct Bitcoin integration. From the beginning, Internet Computer, ICP, was positioned as a next-generation blockchain that could scale computation and storage via subnets, a federation of independent blockchain instances that together form the network. The Dfinity Foundation remains a key research and development contributor, while the ecosystem has grown to include independent developers, node providers, and projects that utilize the network nervous system, NNS, for on-chain governance.